Welcome to our IBM programming series. In today's video, we'll dive into the %parms built-in function, showcasing its use with a practical example. Let's get started. The %parms built-in function returns the number of parameters passed to a procedure where %parms is invoked. It's especially useful when you need to count different number of parameters dynamically. Let's look at a simple example to understand how %parms work. We have a procedure with multiple parameter settings, and we want to determine how many parameters are being used. Here we define the procedure call hashtag with two parameters parmy1, parms2 and one standalone variable parmcnt. This line calls the procedure call hashtag, passing two parameters in the range 11 and 22. Here, %parms is used to determine the total number of parameters passed. In this case, the number is 2. Finally, the result, 2 plus 11 plus 22 is equal to 35, is displayed. In this example, %parms helps us to dynamically count and manage the parameters passed to the procedure. By using %parms, you can effectively handle various parameter scenarios in your IBM programs. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %parms built-in function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more IBM programming tips and tutorials. See you next time. Happy coding!